Welcome everyone to Bajaj Life Insurance Life Goals Heroes Talks. Today we have two amazing personalities with us. Both of them are doing some wonderful work in the insurance industry and the financial services space. We have with us Preeti Uppal and her business partner Arupam Das Gupta. Preeti joined insurance industry in 2001 through a women campaign immediately after her marriage. We also have Arupam Das Gupta, who is an expert in financial services since the year 1999 and his forte is research and analysis. They both joined Bajaj Life Insurance in 2017. Thank you, Preeti and Arupam, for joining us today.
Thank you for having us here.
Yeah, it's really an absolute delight for being here. Thank you very much.
Preeti, your story is quite fascinating. I'm sure our listeners would love to hear more about you and your journey. Can you share some insights?
Thank you, Mona. I am Preeti Uppal. I am in this industry since last 25 years. From 2001, I have joined a life insurance industry.
Brilliant.
And very proud to be here. So actually, with I am 8 times MDRT, 5 times COT, and 2 times TOT.
Wow.
And Chairman Club advisor since last 6 years continuously. जब से वो start हुआ है, I'm a part of the Chairman Club.
Excellent. Preeti, you started your career right after marriage. How did you manage that? And I'm sure there would be certain hiccups that you would have faced. How did you navigate the transition?
Very frankly, actually, immediately after marriage, I was looking for a job opportunity.
Okay.
And luckily, I got with the in touch with this insurance industries in a woman empowerment program.
Okay.
And I got to know it's very new in India. सो वॉट हैपेंड आई वॉज वेरी इंक्विजिट कि ये हो क्या रहा है जहाँ पे हमको खुद ही अपने हिसाब से काम करना है. वी हैव इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ वर्किंग ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम. जितना हमको कमाना है यू कैन फिक्स, मतलब यू कैन डिसाइड कि हाउ मच यू हैव टू अर्न अ मंथ, हाउ मच टाइम यू हैव टू गिव. एंड बीइंग इन अ मतलब थोड़ा सा हमारे फैमिली में थोड़ा कंजर्वेटिव अप्रोच था जहाँ 9 to 6 वर्किंग was difficult in those days. This is the time of 2001. I'm saying I just got newly married and I was looking for an अपॉर्चुनिटी जहां मुझे काम भी अपने हिसाब से करना है एंड टाइम भी मैनेज करना है. तो दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड लर्निंग इसमें बहुत कुछ था एंड बहुत कुछ नया था. इट वाज अ वेरी न्यू इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया बिकॉज प्राइवेटाइजेशन वाज जस्ट हैपेंड एंड वेरी लकीली आई गॉट टू नो कि देयर इज अ प्रोग्राम जहां पे इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्रीज को दे विल ट्रेन एंड दे विल मेक मोर ऑफ इट कि हम लोग कैसे इसको करें. तो जब मैंने अपॉर्चुनिटी मेरे सामने आई तो मैंने काफी हद तक इसको पढ़ा सीखा एंड देन आई थॉट कि दिस इज अ वेरी गुड फिट फॉर मी जहाँ पे आई कैन यूज माई टाइम एंड एबिलिटीज एंड माई फुल पोटेंशियल टू वर्क ऑल्सो एंड मेरे फैमिली को भी इक्वली टाइम दे सकूँ.
बहुत बढ़िया.
तो बहुत सोचने के बाद आई रियलाइज कि दिस इज अ वेरी विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर मी एंड देन 2001 आई स्टार्टेड विद दिस.
सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स प्रीति. आई थिंक हर एक लेडी पहले तो ये सोचना कि शादी के बाद मैं जॉब करूं या कोई काम करूं, दैट्स बिग अचीवमेंट इन इटसेल्फ. So Preeti, what influenced your decision to join Bajaj Life in 2017?
As I said earlier कि मेरा बैकग्राउंड तो इंश्योरेंस का था ही था जहाँ पे वी वर वेरी मच अवेयर कि क्या प्रोडक्ट्स चल रहे हैं, हाउ डू आर वी मतलब गिविंग ग्रोथ टू आवर क्लाइंट्स डे इन डे आउट बेसिस पे. So with 2017 introduction of Bajaj products, एक तो it was a win-win situation for my customers जहाँ पे उनको product बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे with a cheap cost and with बहुत सारे features मिल रहे थे, and it was a win-win situation for a distributor also. So both of them put together, I thought it's a better thing कि we move now to Bajaj products because as it is हम लोग product basket को बढ़ाने का सोच ही रहे थे तब.
So Preeti, you've been into financial services for a very long time now. What made you choose life insurance also as a product in your portfolio?
Like I said earlier also, life insurance product is one-stop solution for my customers. What we are looking for our customer is a complete and holistic approach and full solutions for all kind of investment needs. So insurance gives me stability, guarantee, and lots of other, say, income tax benefits, other things which are included only in insurance. Like there are other products in our baskets where there is more, they are more aggressive or they are more, you can say, towards a conservative approach.
Right.
Insurance has the mix of both, so I prefer insurance as one of the product. For my customers, I prefer one of the tool to have their investments.
So Preeti, being a woman entrepreneur, has your journey been very easy or how did you do your work-life balance?
No, it was not that easy. Actually, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, come from a conservative family, and immediately after marriage, I made the decision to start with this. My
जी.
husband supported me a lot, but still we were into a joint family. And in 2001 only I started this line, and 2003 I got pregnant. So that was the time with the pregnancy time, मतलब with the baby coming and building up the business was challenging.
Right.
बहुत सारी चीजों में I had to मतलब decide what to do, like business के लिए calls करूँ या rest करूँ या family के साथ जाऊँ. But there were times थोड़ा सा managing were difficult. Sometimes it was not that easy, but gradually with learning and earning attitude, I think I managed that phase. And now after a few years of building business, yes, after one time you get the trick how to do this business, then it can be a support, additional support with for the family income. But to start with it, you have to do lots of hard works, which even I did. सो ये जर्नी में जैसे मैंने 2001 से स्टार्ट किया, तब मेरे को बच्चे जब छोटे थे, तब आई रिमेंबर 2008 में आई एड अ स्टोरी यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे 2008 में आई जस्ट डिलीवर्ड माई सन, आई लॉस्ट माई डैड. तो एक इमोशनल ट्रॉमा के साथ 2009 का सफर जब मैंने रीस्टार्ट, बिकॉज 8 आई टुक कंप्लीट ब्रेक, एक डिलीवरी एक लॉस के बाद. बट व्हेन 2009 में आई स्टार्टेड इट अगेन इट वाज अगेन फ्रॉम बैक टू जीरो. आई स्टार्टेड अगेन. तो मैंने अपनी मम्मी के साथ अपनी छोटे बेबी को लेके बाहर आउटसाइड कैंपेन्स वगैरह किए, जो मुझे आज भी याद है. इट वाज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट फेज विद द बेबी ऑफ से 9 months, माय मॉम विथ मी, एंड माय मतलब डॉटर, एल्डर डॉटर वाज 5 years old विथ माय हस्बैंड एट होम. सो ये जब हम कैंप्स वगैरह करते थे, तो दैट वाज अ डिफिकल्ट फेज विद बहुत छोटे से बच्चों के साथ.
Wow, this is amazing. So I believe the resilience that you have, it's coming out truly in your story. कि आपने give up नहीं किया. You went all out, you know, you lost your father and you had your child. It was a big, big year, you know, where so many things were happening in your life. Even then you did not give up. Today you have achieved so much. You know, you said your daughter is a physiotherapist and your son is in 12th standard. But if you look back, you have some great work that is done. And I think that is the biggest example of work-life balance, is not to give up. So that talks a lot about resilience, Preeti. So Anupam, you know, everybody listening here would really like to know your background and how did you first connect with Preeti?
So I've been in financial services all my life. I have rather been at the back end, not at the front end like Preeti. So my core forte is research and analysis.
Wow.
As you have already mentioned. I have worked for some media news companies and some KPI and analytics companies.
Okay.
For 17 years, I did this job, mostly out of US and European markets.
Right.
In 2016, as Preeti told you, we reconnected at our college reunion.
Okay.
And there I got to know what she was doing.
Wow.
After leaving college. And then in 2017, as luck would have it, we met at our children's PTM in the school. Yeah.
Interesting.
And there we reconnected. And as you know, destiny would have it, we ended up buying a house in the same building that Preeti used to live.
Oh, that's
Because,
such
you
a
know,
beautiful coincidence.
Yeah,
eh?
Preeti's son and my son were best friends.
Okay.
They were going to the same school and same class then. That is how we reconnected.
I see.
As we became family friends, you know, I got to know what Preeti was doing. And one fine day, she invited me to walk alongside her as a part-time opportunity.
Okay.
There, I got the exposure to the insurance industry and mutual fund industry. My core forte is research, as I said. So I really like to study a lot.
Oh.
Whatever I work, I first do a lot of research, study it, so that I know it inside and out, and then only I like perform.
Right.
So when Preeti offered me this opportunity, I went deep into the insurance sector. I read up on the companies, I read up on the products, what kind of products that the sector is providing.
Sure.
And as she told you before, that insurance is the only sector that provides you every kind of investment product that you can think of.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what excited me a lot.
Sure.
And that is when we came across, we joined together in 2017. And from there our journey started in insurance. And rest you know.
That's interesting. That's truly interesting. And what beautiful coincidences that you mentioned.
Certainly, most certainly. I would not rather call it coincidence. I would rather call it destiny.
Sure.
Because, after coming into this field, I really found my true calling.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so I'm very passionate about our company and our work, what we do, and very thankful and grateful.
Great to know, Arupam, truly.
It's
So,
a-
Arupam, can you describe some unique challenges that you encountered while launching your own company and how did you overcome them?
Oh, yeah, certainly. So we launched Safal FinTech in 2023. Now, Safal FinTech is actually a multi-product distributor, and it covers all key aspects of financial services, whether
Sure.
it be lending, protection, investments, taxation, as well as legal. Okay, and now we have started our arm that does wealth recovery also.
Wow.
So, the basic challenge we had is our core forte is insurance and investments.
Sure.
Okay. So, how do you build a company that provides all these value added services? So, what we did is over the past 7 years that we were thinking of when, the real foundation was being laid for Safal FinTech,
Sure.
we sort of came up with this unique idea of partnering up with people.
Okay.
So, what we did is over these 7 years, we tried and tested them.
Okay.
And today, Safal has successful 40 partnerships in different verticals in financial services.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and we are a true one-stop shop. Actually, we will never tell you that please come to us, and then we will send to somebody else. We are your whole and soul executor
Wonderful.
for every sector or every service that you might need in finance.
Wonderful. Preeti, in a male dominated industry in entire financial services space, do you think it is challenging for a woman to take her own journey? And how can a woman overcome that?
Actually, it is challenging, but on the other side, females पे trust बहुत easily बनता है. मतलब I can't say about males, but with the being a female, I can say कि एक जो ease मुझे इस industry ने मतलब इस industry में आके हुई है, एक comfort जो हुआ है, that I can feel because we are more acceptable in the industry because they think even a client point of view they think कि if a female from a good background is coming and explaining me वो ऐसे ही कुछ bluff नहीं कर रही. There has to be some good points to the product, credibility product की आ जाती है. So I think that works in favor of us. Plus challenges तो हैं जिसो because we can't work as they can because we have limited working hours.
Right.
And थोड़ा सा you can say कि guilt and ये भी role play करता है जहाँ when we are keeping our kids away, family away, तो we have that kind of attitude कि you cannot just be on मतलब बाहर नहीं रह सकते पूरा time, but with the limited time I think managing was थोड़ा सा challenging, but I guess कि acceptance in this industry to females भी बहुत ज़्यादा है ऐसा मेरा सोचना है.
So, Preeti, how did you reach to initial set of customers?
Actually, this is very interesting question. मेरा 2001 में जब ये start हुआ तो I had some medical adversity और थोड़े दिन का break लेने के बाद I met few people. मेरे team members में उन्होंने मुझे 2-3 females से मिला जो campaign करके अपना leads generate करते थे. Because natural market मेरे पास भी कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था. Limited few people and again being from a Punjabi conservative family, I didn't want कि घर पे ही वो मतलब प्रोडक्ट सेल करके फिर उसका कुछ रिपरकशंस आए. I thought better कि we go into not a natural market, outside market. So मैंने लीड्स जनरेट करना स्पेशली कैंप्स लगा के सीखा एंड दैट वाज द फेज जहाँ पे हम नए लोगों से स्ट्रेंजर्स से जब हम इस सब बारे में बात करते हैं तो इट्स अ न्यू फीलिंग एंड न्यू चैलेंज कि अब इसको कन्वर्ट करना है इनटू अ प्रोस्पेक्ट कन्वर्टिंग इनटू अ कस्टमर जी. बट दैट मेड मी लर्न काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें कि कैसे एक अननोन पर्सन से बात करके उसको पूरा अपना प्रोडक्ट समझा के हम अपना लाइफ लॉन्ग कस्टमर उनके साथ एक पूरा फ्रेंडली एंड फैमिली रिलेशंस भी बना सकते हैं. So that was the starting journey. Start camp से हुआ lead and turning them into family and friends.
So Preeti, what were your initial hiccups when you started in the financial services space?
Initial hiccups तो बहुत थे खैर because it was the unknown market, पूरा territory जहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई ज़्यादा leads नहीं. तो पहले तो getting into leads, फिर leads को convert करना into prospect and then into a client was a hiccup because मेरे को जब कोई पहचान नहीं रहा है पहले तो मैं उनसे बात कर रही हूँ उनको एक trust दिला रही हूँ. मेरा मेन फोटे मतलब माई स्ट्रेंथ लाइस इन रिलेशनशिप. तो जो हमने कैंप से लोगों के साथ इवन इफ 5 लोगों को मिली तो उन 5 के साथ एक रिलेशन बनाया जहाँ जहाँ उस रिलेशन बिल्डअप करते करते हमने उसको फिर अपने क्लाइंट्स बना लिए, और फिर क्लाइंट्स फॉर लाइफ वाला फंडा था, जहाँ एक बार जो हमारा क्लाइंट बने वो हमारे साथ ही लाइफ लॉन्ग रहे।
वाओ।
तो वैसे बहुत सारे हिकअप्स और भी थे, क्योंकि बिकॉज वी वर इनटू प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्री, लोगों का ट्रस्ट उतने जल्दी नहीं था
जी।
एंड देन मतलब रोमिंग, जैसे नो नेगेटिव जब आता है तो बहुत अपने साथ एक पावर लेके आता है। तो कंटिन्यूस इफ यू पीपल आर सेइंग नो, मान लीजिए एक 10 लोगों में से 8 लोग नो बोल रहे हैं, तो कभी ना कभी अपना कॉन्फिडेंस होता है कि एम आई डूइंग राइट, एम आई इन द राइट इंडस्ट्री। बट वो मेरे जो 2 क्लाइंट मैंने कन्वर्ट किए, दैट गेव मी कॉन्फिडेंस, नहीं समथिंग इज गोइंग राइट हियर। एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे मैंने एक क्लाइंट बनाया जो स्टील इंडस्ट्री का था। हम वहाँ स्टील इंडस्ट्री में, मैं और मेरे साथ जो मेरी टीम थी, हम वहाँ जाके मतलब डे इन डे आउट, जैसे इट वाज अ डे ट्रिप काइंड ऑफ थिंग, जहाँ पे सुबह से हम जाते थे, शाम तक वी यूज्ड टू रोम अबाउट, एंड फिर वहाँ क्लाइंट्स बनाना धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट किया। तो इनिशियली आई वुड से कि देयर वर टफ टाइम्स, बट धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड लविंग दिस जर्नी, एंड फिर इफ व्हेन इट बिकम्स योर पैशन तो अपने आप चीजें फ्लोस, मतलब इट गोज फॉर यू।
क्या बात है प्रीति, truly resilient. That's some very very nice insight that you shared. Truly amazing. Now I'll ask you, Arupa. How did you go beyond your natural market or your natural circle? And how can somebody who's listening to us would also be thinking of joining us? How can somebody make big in insurance industry as an insurance consultant? Can you throw some light on that?
It's all about people management. All right. So we are in service industry. Okay.
Right.
Some people forget that. You should never forget that you're in a service industry.
Wonderful.
Which means providing service is your first primary job.
Absolutely.
Not selling. Okay.
Beautiful.
Service is first. If you are serving your clients, okay, properly and diligently, okay, you will grow your circle. That is what we have done, nothing else. We had 4 clients. We served them well. Those 4 clients gave us 4 more clients. Those 8 clients gave us 16 clients.
Excellent.
That 16 became 32, and so on and so on. That's the true story. There is no, calculation or funda you can add to it. It's truly that if you provide good service to your clients, you will grow beyond your natural service.
So what I learned is service is the key for you. That's your base
Yes,
of.
certainly. So we think of our clients first. Okay,
Absolutely.
whenever we give a product, we never think that what it's gonna get for us. Okay, we always think what it is going to do for our client, whether it is serving their need, whether it is in their capacity to take that product or not.
And my next question to you is, how can someone make big as you?
I think for that, I think Preeti is a very good example for that. So I sort of consider her as my mentor because she's the one who got me into this industry.
Sure.
See what she said, all right, that you need to be very positive. It doesn't matter if things don't go your way.
Right.
You have to stick to it.
Correct.
That kind of commitment, okay, needs a kind of self-confidence, all right, that only you can have. I have always believed that, people only get self-motivated. You cannot have someone come and motivate you.
Right.
Even if somebody is motivating you, it requires you to get motivated.
Sure.
Right? So you have to be very positive. You don't have to be shy or be fearful of challenges that come across.
Sure.
And it's okay to be pessimistic and negative, but somewhere in the back of the mind, you need to make sure that if you have set up a goal, you don't give up.
You can't give up.
Yeah. And you do everything in your power to achieve that goal.
Wonderful.
That's the only thing. Be humble, be honest, be diligent, be positive. You'll be successful.
So Preeti, what are the key skills that you have developed over the years which you think is very crucial in your role?
I think positive attitude, because अगर अपना positive attitude ही नहीं है किसी चीज को लेके, negative comes freely, but positive you have to maintain day in day out.
Absolutely.
So I think positive attitude की yes, आज नहीं भी हुआ है तो कल हो जाएगा.
Wonderful.
मतलब just to keep it going, I think that is the first thing. And secondly, I am very patient. मतलब अगर चीजें हो भी रही हैं at a slow pace या कुछ मेरे हिसाब से नहीं भी जा रहा है, तो I just figure out कि आज नहीं तो कल होगा. Maybe it's just the time thing which will happen gradually. So I think these both are very
fantastic.
important.
So positivity and patience. That's Preeti. Great. Do you think, Preeti, women are reluctant to join life insurance industry?
Maybe yes, because first challenge what a woman would feel is like sales मेरा काम नहीं है. Can I manage sales and family? Again the same thing. But more of this, जैसे आपने पहले भी बोला, it's a male dominating industry. So ये women's को आएगा. But trust me, जब एक बार यहाँ पे हम आ जाते हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे and the support the industry gives us, then there is no way back looking and फिर हमको ये बहुत easy लगेगा. But the first challenge is that कि we think कि ये शायद मेरे लिए ये appropriate place नहीं है. But again, I would say it's a myth.
राइट सो जो मैं समझ पाया प्रीति, आप कह रहे हो कि द माइंडसेट ऑफ वुमेन देमसेल्व्स के शायद मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, या मुझे सेल्स आता नहीं है, मैं बाहर कैसे निकल पाऊंगी, लोगों से कैसे बात कर पाऊंगी, मैं उनको पैसे के बारे में कैसे बात करूं. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू थिंक इज अ चैलेंज दैट वुमेन फेस.
Yes, actually the thing is कि women मतलब बर्थ से मतलब 10 में से 8 फैमिलीज में ये सब बड़े डिसीजंस मेल्स लेते हैं. तो
Right.
जब वो खुद अपने घर पे नहीं ले पाती है तो उनको ये चैलेंज लगता है कि
Beautiful.
मैं बाहर लोगों को कैसे समझाऊंगी जब मैं खुद डिसीजन नहीं ले रही हूँ, या
Fantastic.
फीमेल इज नॉट अ डिसीजन मेकर ऑन द अदर साइड.
Correct.
So they think, but today the scenarios are changing, things are changing,
Right.
and if we become खुद knowledgeable, we can educate them also, अपने फैमिली के लिए भी and दूसरों के लिए भी. तो I
Beautiful.
think this myth has to be broken here कि हम नहीं कर सकते. We can do much more better.
Preeti, you've achieved significant success in your career. So ऐसा आप क्या करते हैं that keeps you motivated to do so well?
यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँगी कि सक्सेस ना जब अपने मतलब जैसे इट बिकम्स पैशन ना, मेरा ये पैशन हो गया है, तो आई डोंट सी इट्स कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हूँ. मतलब मैं रिलेट कर सकती हूँ, लोग बहुत है इस इंडस्ट्री में जो मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल.
जी.
यस, अगेन माई अचीवमेंट्स आर नो लेस, बट फिर भी मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि शायद 1 TOT करना एक साल में इट्स नॉट दैट अचीवमेंट. जब जहाँ लोग 10 कंपनीज में साथ में TOT हो रहे हैं, स्टिल देयर इज मोर टू अचीव. तो जब वो मोर टू अचीव अपने को अपने आप से आता है कि देयर इज अ व्हाई आउट देयर, तो अपने आप इट कीप्स यू मोटिवेटिंग कि इट्स नॉट द एंड, देयर इज स्टिल लॉन्ग जर्नी अहेड.
Great. So I think Preeti, you're raising the bar. You're raising के चलो एक TOT क्यों मैं साल में एक आध दो और कर लूँ. I can do double TOT, I can do triple TOT, etc. Nice, Preeti. That's very good that you're raising the bar. So Preeti, how has your experience been with Bajaj Life as an organization?
एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इट ट्रूली मेक्स मतलब एक आईसी को एक जब एडवाइजर ऑन बोर्ड आता है उसको सिखाने के लिए एंड एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो करते हैं. बट द बेसिक मेन थिंग आई लाइक इज इनोवेशन. जैसे हैज़ द प्रोडक्ट्स जो इंडस्ट्री में अनहर्ड थे, बहुत सारी चीज़ों में उन्होंने हमको बहुत सारे, जैसे ये चेयरमैन क्लब वॉज अ वेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव जहाँ पे वी मीट द चेयरमैन ऑफ द कंपनी, एंड दिस इज द ऑनर के साथ साथ एक सेंस ऑफ मतलब रिकॉग्निशन है जो कंपनी अपनी तरफ से हमारे लिए करती है. बहुत कुछ और चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे मैं ऐड करूँगी प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ, इनोवेशन के साथ, टेक्नोलॉजी में दे आर अहेड. बहुत सारे टूल्स है विच दे गिव. फॉर एग्जांपल ट्रेनिंग में भी इन हाउस ट्रेनिंग, आउट हाउस मतलब आउटसोर्स करके काफ़ी कुछ इन्होंने हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ आउट ऑफ वे ईज करने के लिए एज अ लाइफ बहुत कुछ दिया है. सो आई थिंक वेरी हैप्पी विद द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड द रिजल्ट्स दे गिव अस. मतलब द ओवरऑल अचीवमेंट्स के साथ हमको एक मतलब टच दिया है जो हमेशा हेल्प करता है टू जस्ट मोटिवेट आवरसेल्व्स टू गो अहेड वाला.
Great. All right. So आपने कहा digital tools, training, also innovative products and innovation overall, which is with technology as well.
Yes.
Great. So you have some good digital tools also जिसको आप leverage करते हैं.
Yeah, we use on day-to-day basis also, and बहुत सारी इनिशिएटिव जो पीछे से भी आती है, जैसे if to name few, पासा एक इनिशिएटिव था जिसकी वजह से बहुत ईजी हुई लाइफ. जैसे जितना हमारे पास कस्टमर का सम एश्योर्ड था उतना हम इमीडिएटली उनको लाइफ इंश्योरेंस दे पाए,
Right.
विच वॉज अपने आप में फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड.
Great. हमारे जितने भी नए डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स ज्वाइन करते हैं, जो हमारे साथ जुड़ते हैं, they also want to be successful. Any tips that you can share that will help them to be successful?
या आई वुड लाइक टू से कि मैंने जो अपने लाइफ में यूज़ किया है, एंड दिस इज़ अ थिंग फॉर एवरी सेल्स आई थिंक होना चाहिए कि पहले तो आपको अपना गोल पता होना चाहिए.
जी.
एक बार गोल पता हो तो उसको हमको कहीं लिखना है, या उसको बस उस गोल हैज़ टू बी मतलब सोच समझा हुआ लिखना है. जैसे इफ़ आई वॉन्ट टू अचीव अ MDRT और अ COT और अ TOT एंड आई एम केपेबल ऑफ, तो वट एवर आई से, जैसे मैं अगर TOT बनना चाहती हूँ तो आई विल राइट अ TOT, बट इफ मैंने लिख दिया एक बार तो आई कांट गो बैक. तो इवन इफ आई एम नॉट केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग DOT, आई विल राइट MDRT. बट वंस इट इज रिटन, इट कैन नॉट बी टर्न्ड ऑफ. तो जो सेल्फ कमिटमेंट होता है कि मैंने एक बार लिख दिया तो आई हैव टू डू इट, वो वाला एटीट्यूड से अगर हम करेंगे तो धीरे धीरे दिस बिकम्स योर पैशन एंड थिंग्स बिकम्स ईजी. सो जस्ट राइट योर गोल and set and achieve your goals, which can be done day in day out with the efficiency. जो हर what I'll say here is, if I can do it, anyone listening to me can do everyone can do it, because from a housewife ये जो मेरी journey start हुई थी, सीखते सीखते ही हम इसको कर पाए थे. तो it's just your mindset. With a positive mindset, everything can be achieved.
ग्रेट. सो आप कह रहे हैं कि पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रखें, अपने गोल्स को सेट करें और कहीं लिखे. दैट विल हैव पावर, एंड आई एम श्योर ऑटोमेटिकली थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट फॉलिंग प्लेस विद हार्ड वर्क एंड knowledge.
Yes,
Great. It was truly amazing story that you shared, and such an incredible story. And I'm sure the insights that Preeti gave about how her career started, and the insights that you gave in terms of how research and how understanding needs of client is so important. I'm sure everybody that has heard us today would have learned so many things and would be inspired to also get associated with the financial services space. And I really want to thank you once again for your time. Truly amazing story of passion and resilience. That was really incredible.
it was really our pleasure.
Really, it was truly an interesting session. There were things that we also haven't told each other which came out through this podcast. And thank you very much for having us here.
समझो हो गया